what we have, calculate the definite integral of f of x from x is 1 to x is 4. Interpret the meaning in terms of area under the curve. So what we need to compute here is the integral from 1 to 4, the definite integral f of x dx, which is our function right here, x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 15, and then dx. So the first step is we're going to find what's called the antiderivative, which is the capital F of x. So you can do this separately, but I'm going to show you all together. First, x 3 cubed is going to be 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 4. When it's squared, it's going to be plus 1 divided by 3. 9x, 1 plus 1 x squared divided by 2, and 15 is just going to be x. So you just solve that a little bit, simplify that, x to the 4th divided by 4 minus 2x cubed, 3 goes into 6, and then 9 by 2 x squared. This constant, remember, is going to eventually cancel out when you calculate the definite integral. All right, so that's step 1. So let's go to step 2. We're going to compute this, find the antiderivative of capital F of x at 4 and at 1. So from x is 1 to x is 4, we're going to start with x is 4. So at x is 4, substitute 4 here, 4 to the 4th power divided by 4, 2 4 cubed divided by 2 4 cubed plus 9 by 2 4 squared plus 15 times 4. Okay, so I removed the c constant because you're going to subtract in a minute. So this is going to be this whole thing is 64 minus 128 plus 72 plus 60. So this, all of it, when you calculate it, becomes 68. Now at x equals 1, now substitute 1 into the antiderivative. So 1/4 to a 4th power divided by 4 minus 2 1 cubed and so on. So you get 1/4 minus 2 plus 9 by 2 plus 15. So now you can LCD that, 1/4 minus 8/4 plus 18/4 plus 64. So you add all the numerators and up, and the denominator is 4 is equal to 71 by 4. Now we are going to calculate our definite integral from 1 to 4 of f of dx, which is capital F of at 4 minus capital F m minus at 1. So 68 minus 71 4. So you can LCD that, so we get 272 minus 201 divided by 4. And this is going to be our final answer for this question. The interpretation of that is between the area between the curve from x is 1 to x is 4 is a shaded area here that is equal to 2001 divided by 4. Okay, and that is going to be our final answer. All right, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you next week. Have a nice day. Bye.